if this is y, and with x prime, the result is x prime y. Nagets niyo? Okay. Next, we're done with this. This is the first gauge that we utilize. And the other one is xy. So you can connect again here. And then sa y, where the AND gate again. So if this is x and this is y, the result is xy. So we're done with this, right? So the next one is this. We're going to OR it. So that is F. So this is x prime y ORed with xy. So this becomes x prime y plus xy. So we already have a logic circuit. Now the question is, how